Okay, so this is definitely water damage. I think the water is just draining out. We have to open it up a little bit more, kind of see what's going on. But I suppose most customers, this is what you deal with when you have water coming in. It's just a nuisance. Definitely. Cutting out the cavity, water tends to follow along the path, and then it hits resistance in the form of these joists, and then it kind of stays in a tunnel. And that's usually how it travels. When it gets a lot of pressure, or if it's over for an extended period of time, it'll start to spread out. Okay.
Oh.
And then that is one of the things that happens too. Gets behind the paper seam, gets underneath the paper seam, and runs a length where the two pieces butt together. It runs behind there, kind of like a river gorge, like a tunnel sort of. And then it loosens the paper, the tape, or mesh from the front and surface of the drywall.